Hello students, you're welcome on Learning with L&R, and today I would like to discuss with you about the mission. In previous video I can introduce the mission and vision and why we need the vision and mission in our nursing profession. Today I would like to discuss and explain about the mission with you. Mission is the essential purpose of the organization concerning particularly why it is in existence, the nature of the business it is in, and the customers it seeks to serve and satisfy. Mission means we have an idea, we have a statement about why we exist, what kind of services we give to the people or customer or stakeholders or client. Purpose or reason for the organization's existence. Again, the same meaning, why we exist, what we serve to the people. Mission is an enduring statement of purpose that distinguishes one firm from other similar firm. Okay. Then meaning of mission statement. Mission statements are the starting points of an organization's strategic planning and goal setting process. It is very important when we would like to start any organization. We have an idea about the mission, we have about the strategy of the planning and goal setting. They focus attention and assure that internal and external stakeholders understand what the organization is attempting to accomplish. Okay, the main focus or attention on internal and external stakeholder means customer or client. They can understand about the organization. When developing a mission statement, it should be seen that the following questions are answered. What do we do today? Okay, or for whom do we do it? What is the benefit? For example, what do we do today? We provide the services to the society. For whom do we do it? For patient, for healthcare. What is the benefit? We help the patient to recover from the disease. We provide the care to the patient, and when the patient recover and maintain their health, that time our purpose fulfilled. Concept of mission statement. It concentrates on present and informs you about the desired level of performance. If we have a clear mission, then it provides the information regarding the present and inform the level, whatever the level we would like to achieve, it will be achieved. Okay, it reflects the purpose or broader for being in existence in the profession. It serves as an ongoing guide without a time frame, right? The mission can remain same for decades. It crafted well. When we start the organization, when we would like to start the organization, that time we have a goal to achieve something, and that goal remain the same for many years. It provides a path to realize the mission in line with its value, or it directs bearing on the bottom line and success in profession. Mission and purpose. Mission has external orientation and relates the organization to the society in which it operates. A mission statement helps the organization to link its activities to the needs of the society and legitimize its existence. Okay, mission has the external orientation and relates the organization to the society. They have the mission. When we start the organization in nursing profession or in any other profession, we have an idea what we would like to do. For example, in the nursing profession, we would like to provide the care to the patient. Okay, then people also know, and people also recognize our organization with the help of our mission. Purpose is also externally focused, but it relates to that segment of the society to which it serves. It defines the business which the institution will undertake. For example, nursing college. We opened the nursing college. We would like to give the quality education to the future nursing care provider, and the society know our institution because they how they know that we provide the quality education. Then, purposes of mission statement. It should help workers within the organization know what decisions and tasks best align with the mission of the company. For example, we employees in our institution and we have a clear goal, but we would decide what we would perform the task, how we would like to perform the task. Okay, it serves as a guide for all of the company's decision making. Mission also helps us to take the decision. A mission statement offers insight into what company leaders view as the primary purpose for being in business. Okay, then dimensions of mission statements. According to Bart, the strongest organizational impact occurs when mission statements contain 7 essential dimensions. What they are? Key values and beliefs, distinctive competence, desired competitive position, competitive strategy, compelling goal, vision, specific customers served and products or services offered, concern for satisfying multiple stakeholders. I hope you're clear with this concept. Then dimensions again. According to Verne McGinnis, a mission should define what the company is, what services provided by the company, define what the company aspires to be. Okay, limited to exclude some ventures or dangers, broad enough to allow for creative growth. Then distinguish the company from all others, from the society. The people in the society can distinguishes the company from the quality of their services. Serve as framework to evaluate current activities. Then state it clearly so that it is understood by all. When we would like to make the statement of our mission, it should be clear so that everyone can know about the mission. Features of effective mission statements are what kind of features will be there? Purpose and values of the organization mentioned in the statement. What business the organization want to be in? Products or service or market. For example, we provide the services in the hospital, in the nursing college, or who are the organization's primary clients? Our nursing students. In the hospital, our patient are the main stakeholders. What are the responsibilities of the organization towards these clients? Our main responsibility to provide the education to the students, to provide the nursing care to the patient. What are the main objectives that support the company in accomplishing its mission? We provide the quality care to the patient. We provide the quality education to the student. Then characteristics of mission. Feasible. Feasible means it should be clear. The feasible means the mission should be clear when someone read it or they can understand easily. It's possible to do conveniently, or it is practical. It's based on the practical. Then precise. Precise means it's accurate or correct. Okay, it should be practicable, practically approved. Then clear. The mission should be clear. It should be motivating to the employees, to the other society member. Then distinctive. Distinctive means it distinguishes from the others. Then indicates major components of strategy. After that, structure of mission statement. The following elements can be included in the mission statements. Their sequence can be different. It is important, however, that some elements supporting the accomplishment of the mission be present and not just the mission as a wish or dream. It's not the wish or dream. It should be accomplished by the organization. Purpose and values of the organization, products or service or market, or who are the organization's primary client. Already we talked about this. What are the responsibilities of the organization towards these clients? Okay, or what are the main objectives supporting the company in accomplishing its mission? I hope you have clear.